You send mail through email service providers like SendGrid, Mailchimp, or Postmark. To pass DMARC, each one must be aligned to your domain. The trap: an ESP passes SPF and DKIM for its own domain, not the domain in your from line. That is unaligned, so DMARC fails even though authentication passed. The durable fix is DKIM. The ESP gives you CNAME records to publish, so it signs with your domain, making DKIM aligned. Most ESPs support this. Turn it on in the ESP and publish the names at your DNS. You can add the ESPs include to your SPF too, but watch the 10 lookup limit. DKIM alignment is what truly matters, and it survives forwarding. Verify each ESP shows an aligned pass in your DMARC reports, not just a pass. PhishFence flags exactly which of your senders pass authentication but are unaligned, so you know which ESP to fix and how. Start free at PhishFence.io.